Here we have someone with gorgeous long curly hair. She's going to be cutting off over 24 inches of her strands. Looks like she's getting some color as well. Wow. I love it. I love her curly hair. Hello everyone. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video will feature a variety of short styles, bobs, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you have been thinking of your next haircut idea, you've come to the right place. If you feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a stunning red and black angled bob haircut. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we move on to a bob haircut transformation. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. She has so much body and movement within this cut. Absolutely stunning. And I'm also loving the smooth bangs that this has. And then we move on to more of a mini bob or pixie bob haircut. This one features a shaven nape in the back. Absolutely gorgeous haircut. Definitely looks like something that belongs on the runway. And then we have a mid-length haircut. So the stylist grabs the scissors. And turns the hair into a classic shoulder length bob style. I really like the ombre effect that the grown out color gives off with this one, as well as a nice tousled waves. Then we have a beautiful jaw length blonde bob. And then we move on to a classic all black bob. Stylist does the cut, adds in a few waves for the tousled effect. Beautifully done. Hair looks so full of body and sheen. Then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. And the stylist does a beautiful angled bob with this one. Wow, I love how clean this is. Nice, effortless, and chic. Next up, we have this dark coppered bob haircut. I love the color on this. Absolutely gorgeous. It does feature full swoop bangs there in the front. And then we have this nice, simple, and chic tousled bob. Center part down the middle. Classic and effortless. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.